India's Defense Ministry has decided to replace Microsoft operating system with which operating system? The answer is option A, Maya. India's Defense Ministry has announced that it will replace the Microsoft operating system OS on all its internet connected computers. This new OS will be supported by a robust protection system known as Chakravya, which planet's great red spot may be less than 200 years old. The answer is option B, Jupiter. The oldest fossilized remains of a plant-eating dinosaur, Therosaurus indicus, has been found in which Indian state? The answer is option B, Rajasthan. Scientists from IIT Roorkee and GSI have unearthed the oldest fossilized remains of a plant-eating dinosaur in Jaisalmer. Its fossils date back to 167 million years. What role did sulfur play in the formation of Earth's first water? The answer is option C. It contributed to the chemical process. Which brain hormone may protect bones during breastfeeding? The answer is option B, prolactin. Which institution suggested the creation of Artificial Intelligence and Data Authority of India? The answer is option C, TRI. What has been invading the brains of mammals, causing concern? The answer is option A, bird flu. What intriguing discovery was made in Otzi the Iceman's DNA? The answer is option A, new ancestry. Otzi's DNA revealed surprising ancestry information, shedding light on human migration patterns. Which drug temporarily dissolves brain networks? The answer is option B, psilocybin. Psilocybin, found in magic mushrooms, disrupts brain networks and has potential therapeutic effects. What inspired a Python inspired device for more effective rotator cuff surgeries? The answer is option B, Python skin. Researchers developed a device inspired by python skin to improve rotator cuff surgery outcomes. What might challenge our understanding of AI's reasoning skills? The answer is option C, AI's limitations. Assessing AI's understanding and reasoning abilities remains a challenge beyond existing tests. Which country recently launched the Shenzhou 13 spacecraft carrying astronauts to its space station? The answer is option B, China. What breakthrough did researchers achieve in the field of quantum computing? The answer is option A, quantum supremacy. Researchers demonstrated quantum supremacy by solving a complex problem faster than classical supercomputers. Lucy spacecraft was launched by NASA to observe which celestial body? The answer is option C, asteroids. Lucy is a NASA space probe on a 12-year journey to 8 different asteroids. Lucy spacecraft came within 430 kilometers of the small asteroid named Dinkinesh. What new material could revolutionize solar panels by converting heat into electricity? The answer is option B, perovskite. Perovskite based materials show promise for efficient heat to electricity conversion in solar panels. Which tech giant recently unveiled its project Starline for lifelike 3D video calls? The answer is option A, Google. Google's Project Starline aims to create immersive, high fidelity video communication experiences. What novel approach did scientists use to study the behavior of electrons in a superconductor? The answer is option B, time crystals. Researchers use time crystals to observe electron behavior in a superconducting material. Which company recently achieved a record breaking data transfer rate using hollow core fibers? The answer is option C, Nokia. Nokia achieved a data transfer rate of 1.125 terabits per second using hollow core optical fibers. Which country recently launched the world's first digital currency backed by a central bank? The answer is option B, China. Hanle and Merak observatories are located in which Indian state UT? The answer is option A, Ladakh. The Hanle and Merak observatories in Ladakh, known for capturing images of the night sky, recently witnessed an unusual occurrence in India with an intense red aurora.